Beautiful babes, have you ever wished you could get that tightening effect without spending a fortune? Well, listen, today I'm sharing one of my favorite DIY face masks using only two ingredients that you probably already have at home. So if you're looking for smoother looking skin, firmer looking skin, girl, just keep on watching because this recipe is super easy. What's up, beautiful babes? Welcome back to the channel. I am Sweet Angel. So glad you're here hanging out with me on Beauty by Sweet Angel. Listen, if you are new here, I love sharing skincare tips, beauty tips, DIYs. Mostly I love the anti-aging parts of it and mature skin because I am a woman of a certain age. But beautiful babes, whatever age you are and whatever brought you here, I promise you, you're going to find something you like. So you don't have to be a stranger. Go ahead and join the Beautiful Babe Brigade. We'd love to have you over here. I know we can't permanently be young. Let's keep it real, okay? But we are going to maintain what we got and keep it looking as good as we possibly can, whatever age we are. All right? But with that being said, if you have not subscribed, do that right now. You'll be glad you did because you don't want to lose this chick. And today, y'all, I said today, we're making a simple collagen-inspired face mask that leaves my skin feeling oh so fresh, smooth, and it temporarily tightens my skin after every use. Y'all, let's get started. Here's everything you'll need. 1 fresh egg white, 2 teaspoons of collagen peptides. That's it. Egg whites are loaded with protein, including amino acids like proline and glycine, which are used by our bodies to build collagen. The collagen peptides help give the mask a silky texture and can leave your skin feeling soft and hydrated. While this mask won't magically create new collagen in your skin, it can give a temporary tightening effect and make your skin feel smoother after rinsing. I'm going to whisk my egg white until it's nice and frothy. Now I'm adding 2 teaspoons of collagen peptides. I'm mixing everything together until it's smooth. You want a consistency that's easy to spread across your face. Now I'm applying an even layer over my freshly cleansed face. Avoid your eyes and lips. For an extra peel-away effect, I'm placing facial tissue over the mask and adding another layer on top. Now wait for about 15 to 20 minutes until everything feels completely dry. The mask has dried. Now I'm gently peeling away the tissue. It feels so satisfying. I'm rinsing away any remaining residue with warm water. Immediately, my skin feels cleaner, smoother, and noticeably tighter. It also looks brighter and refreshed. This is definitely one of my favorite inexpensive DIY treatments whenever I want my skin to feel firmer before putting on makeup or before filming videos. Remember, consistency with your overall skincare routine, including sunscreen, moisturizing, healthy eating, and good sleep, is what really supports healthy looking skin over time. If you decide to try this mask, let me know in the comments how your skin felt afterward. And there you go, beautiful babes. If you enjoyed this DIY anti-aging skincare video, please give this video a big thumbs up. And subscribe if you haven't already. I done told y'all, you're gonna miss out. Hey, and share this video with someone you know that loves DIY skincare. And as always, stay beautiful, stay blessed, and I will see y'all in the next video. Take care, beautiful babes. Bye.